We have important update as you've seen from the title, and yes, we're gonna go and talk about some juicy stuff, but we jump straight onto the laptop. The first thing is from Gala. Now, you probably heard, you probably remember Gala, you probably claim Gala as well as a token. And we see here that the treasury worth $200 million was hacked. And I want to know what you think about this. You probably follow it or wrong, but it is a little bit of a oopsie to say the least. Now, whether it is a hack or whether it is simply the contract being exploited, which is another term for saying hacks, 5 billion tokens were minted and being dumped on the market. Do you think this is a mistake from the team? Do you think this has an insider job? Do you think this is a hack? $22 million as of yesterday have been sold, and today, as we see over here, $200 million were hacked. So what do you think about it? Is it a hack? Is it something that we could have, or they could have prevented, because we actually could not have prevented anything? Should they have done something better? Let me know down in the comments below, and make sure to leave a like on this video if you made it us to this point. Next up, we got a very important update for all of you tomorrow. We're going to be talking about the DeBridge AIRDROP, which is around the corner. And tomorrow on Jupiter Exchange, make sure to turn the notification bell on, because I will take you a video on it, or join my Telegram community, which is absolutely free, down on the description. There is going to be the round 3 of the LFG vote, and tomorrow we need to vote either on ByBit, either on DeBridge Finance, or on the exchange art over here. Now, if we do get DeBridge Finance all over to compete for the opportunity to launch its token at the LFG launchpad over on the Jupiter website, it would actually be amazing. Like, we could have one of the best, if not the best airdrop of 2024 as of right now. So tomorrow I will take you the video. We all need to go and vote on the DeBridge opportunity. And yes, by the way, DeBridge is you're still on time to farm the DeBridge airdrop. I will leave you the link down below as well, so that you have the possibility to go and do it. There is my referral link down below if you wish to support me. Thank you very much. But we still have the possibility to go and create volume, to go and do transaction over on the bridging. And we did see in the past video that you have the possibility to bridging from any EVM to Solana as well over here to the Solana ecosystem. From the Solana ecosystem, you have also the possibility to go and mint. Look at the top number over here, my points. If you switch a token, you can mint, or you can farm 2 different airdrops, 2 different wallets, which will actually provide you with 2 qualification for the airdrop, which is absolutely incredible. So definitely go and get yourself this airdrop. You're still in time to farm. The link will be down below. Tomorrow we need to go and vote, but it is very, very important. We will talk right now about the possibility of the airdrop allocation. Following up, we got the Ethermail have announced as well the token allocation over here, and the TG, the token generation event, as we see from the video that they have released on their official Twitter. We see here that on June 12th, there is going to be the token generation event for the Ethermail opportunity. So if you are part of it, let me know down in the comments below. I personally did not participate in this one. I didn't even know it was a thing, but it is a bridge between the Web 2 and the Web 3 via email, kind of a little bit like what the email used to be back in the days. But they're gonna have the token generation event, which means potential snapshot is already taken. Compared to what DeBridge is, the snapshot is not yet taken. Following up, we got a very important NFT on Zora to go and mint. This is the official Rainbow Wallet NFT, as we see over here, 140,000 followers. So definitely an NFT to go and mint, as it is super important to collect it for the Rainbow Wallet airdrop, which is gonna happen. It is kind of like MetaMask. It's another wallet. They're having an airdrop. If you wanna go and read more about them, I will leave you the link down below. But definitely go and collect this possibility of an NFT for the airdrop multiplier. For more allocation on the airdrop, go and get it for yourself. Following up, we got an update over on the Solana ecosystem on Sanctum. Now, it's been a while since the last launch, so we've got a few LSTs lined up this week. And the first one is for the WEN coin team to launch the WEN Solana, the official LST, liquid staking token for the WEN community. And this is very important because we did receive, and we do have in our wallet, if you did take part to the Solana ecosystem with the Jupiter opportunity, you did receive some WEN token for free. It is the meme coin over on the Solana ecosystem. And this is a huge opportunity also for Sanctum to go and get it and to go and utilize it over on their platform over here. that you can also get it over on their platform. So they have partnered up, and if you see over here on the Sanctum protocol over here, if you go and switch and trade from here to the when token, you should have seen it here. Here is the when stake Solana, which is very, very nice, and it is another opportunity to go and increase your contract interaction with Sanctum to go and receive the airdrop as well as on Sanctum. If you wish to join, I will leave you the link down below, which is very, very nice to go and utilize it. It is a basically put your Solana in, keep them there, and you get the airdrop. Following up, let's go and talk about the DeBridge situation, which they have introduced the DBR token. The next step for the DeBridge is to go and get the token out to the community. Now, what's nice about this? Well, 20% is giving back to the community, which is what we like about a protocol. We don't like the airdrop, which is like 2% or 3% like the rest that we've seen recently. They probably end up really, really bad. DeBridge on the other side, as we see over here, is going to have a token allocation of 2% to the validators, 17% to the strategic partners, 20% to community and launch, 20% core distributor, 26% ecosystem, 15% DeBridge Foundation, which is really, really nice. And it is a big number to have for a community airdrop. They started all the way back in 2021. There is going to be a limit of points that you need to be eligible for this airdrop. So make sure, as we see over here, for example, over on the bridging, let me see my situation with the referral links that I have in my community, how they're doing. There is going to be a limit for what you need to do. So everybody, and I do encourage everybody that have traded volume or did X transaction, try to be, when it comes to the fees, which is how you calculate the point, I would suggest you to be on the $50 fees to be absolutely safe. If you go and consume $50 of fees, potentially this would be, because there is going to be a limit or a cap on how low you can go, because there are 380,000 wallets. DeBridge has 3 keys. Take over here, 2.3 billion all over the DeFi verse with 0 security incident and downtime since launch. They got raised the minimum amount, so we have a flexibility to maintain harmony and balance. As we see over here, DeBridge raised the minimum amount, so we have the flexibility to maintain harmony and balance between all key stakeholders. The goal is to maintain the balance long term to ensure alignment, which means you need to have a minimum of gas fees spent. So make sure, I would suggest, and this is just speculation, try to reach as many points as you go and see that you burned 50 token or $50 worth of fees. In my opinion, it is the best solution to go and have the possibility to fully earn the DeBridge airdrop over here. I know it's a lot, potentially could be $20, potentially could be $10, mine is speculation, but I would suggest you to go and get $50 or more in transaction fees to be safe with it. So that is what I would suggest you. Then of course you do as you wish. Potentially could be number of volumes over here, number of trades, or the trade volume in general, more than $1,000, whatever. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Following up, we got the Crypto Valley exchange over here, which we did go and already earn a couple of tasks and the testnet situation, which it is free. And I will leave you the link down below if you want to join. It is a trading platform, just all on a testnet, so you have nothing to spend, no money involved, everything is free on a testnet. There is also the Galaxy Quest, which they have just launched over here, the special oath and points, which I will leave you a link down below. And this one, our new one, as we see over here, to simply follow, like, retweet, visit, watch, visit, message, and that's about it. Open long position, and that is it. So if you wish to join, let me know down in the comments below. It is absolutely free. And it is, simply go and do message as we see here. Visit, watch, retweet, like, nothing to worry about. Simply go and do it, because we do not want to miss this opportunity. And if we're talking about the CBEX, it's this platform over here, in case you're having a little bit of a forgetful moment of what it is, as we see here, which we have the point system. If you wish to join, we also have the achievements, which are this one over here that you can go and earn yourself. The fast reader over here, mark all notification as red. We did earn another one. And as we see, there are a few things that you need to go and collect in terms of which one do you need to do, etc. So the one, you can stop the video and simply follow mine as well. Next up, we got the claiming of the NYAN via Streamflow, which you can connect your wallet through Streamflow over here. And if you are eligible, let me know. I will leave you the link to go and connect it. You do need to use a VPN if you are in some areas, as we see over here. So definitely go and collected if you have. Here we got a bit of a Discord situation where the claim is not open. If you like, don't claim and sell. It is safe as what they say here. The person that I did get this one is a reputable source within the crypto world community and social media manager over on Deny. So definitely, if you want to, but I will also leave you this tweet so you can go and check out, be more secure, follow there directly over on Discord. Following up, the LayerZero labs, we did talk about it before, and now they came out with this one, and I want to specify and clarify what it is. It has said that the LayerZero will be live on the Humanity protocol, an advanced decentralized framework designed to authenticate and verify the human identities. A consensus mechanism proof of humanity leverages AK proofs to ensure. Now this one, as we see over here, and they also do talk about it, it has nothing to do with the cyber situation, and it is here. For clarification, this is an endpoint announcement stating that LayerZero will support Humanity Protocol blockchain. It is not related to addressing the cyber activity. So keep that in mind, but it is something nice, potentially something important that they have gone and do it, but it has nothing to do with it. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Let me know down in the comments below your thoughts on the video, the DeBridge situation, and how many points you got. With that said, thank you for watching and see you all later. Ciao, guys.